Not a big one?
No.
Reagan, are you gonna catch a big fish?
Yeah.
How big? Show me with your hands how big. That's a huge one, girl. You got germs.
Yeah. He's difficult.
He's difficult? Well, let's let him go, okay?
Is he difficult?
Ew.
Got some mail today, some cheap dock bungee lines, siphon to get the old gas out the gas tank in the front, fuel connection, Yamaha. It's gonna be a rod holder for the cooler. We also got a package from Sea Rider Beanbag Company. Sat in FedEx warehouse for a few days, and the box was pretty beat up when we got it, but the beanbag's in good condition, so all's good. Here I took a couple pieces of starboard and glued them to the cooler with 4200, and then attached the rod holder with screws into the starboard instead of the cooler. This rod holder is just going to be for an umbrella for some shade. I'm gonna cut these trailer guides down because they're about 5 foot tall and I got no intentions on putting the trailer that deep in the water. Use this siphon to get all the gas, old gas out of this gas tank. Here I'm cutting a piece of starboard for a dash panel to cover up these holes from the remote steering and controls, just in case I decide to go back with a remote motor in the future. I ordered this grab bar from Marine Fiberglass Direct and ended up being pretty happy with the quality, and it came super quick, so no complaints. I think that'll about wrap it up for today's video. See you guys next time.